Have you ever slept 8 or even 9 hours, but still woke up feeling like your brain is wrapped in fog? Your alarm rings, you hit snooze. Again and again. Meanwhile, someone else sleeps 6 hours and wakes up energetic. So what's going on? Here's the surprising truth. It's not about how long you sleep. It's about how your brain sleeps. And psychology explains exactly why. Meet Ali. Ali believes the solution to feeling tired is simple. Just sleep more. So he goes to bed earlier, 8 hours, 9 hours. But every morning, same problem. Heavy head. No motivation, coffee becomes survival. Ali thinks his body's broken, but the real problem isn't sleep quantity. It's sleep quality. Your brain sleeps in cycles, not in a straight line. And once you understand these cycles, you can actually sleep less and wake up feeling better. Let's break down the psychology. Most people think sleep is like charging a phone. More hours equals more energy. But your brain works differently. During the night, it goes through sleep cycles made of light sleep, deep sleep, REM sleep. Deep sleep repairs your body. REM sleep restores your mind and emotions. If your sleep gets interrupted, or your timing is wrong, your brain never finishes these cycles. That's why you wake up tired, even after long sleep. Ali didn't need more sleep. He needed better structured sleep. Psychology shows your brain follows something called a circadian rhythm. Think of it like an internal clock. If you sleep at 11 p.m. today, 2 a.m. tomorrow, midnight the next day, your brain gets confused. Hormones like melatonin stop working properly. So the first rule Ali learned was simple. Sleep and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Within a few days, his brain started preparing for sleep automatically. Here's something fascinating. A full sleep cycle lasts about 90 minutes. That means waking up in the middle of a cycle makes you feel terrible. But waking up at the end of a cycle feels natural. Instead of random hours, try sleeping in multiples of 90 minutes as 6 hours, 7.5 hours, 9 hours. Ali started sleeping 7.5 hours instead of 9. And surprisingly, he felt more refreshed. But the biggest change happened before sleep. Ali followed something psychologists call the 3-2-1 rule. 3 hours before bed gives no heavy meals. 2 hours before bed gives no stressful work. 1 hour before bed, no screens. Your brain needs time to power down. Otherwise, blue light and stress keep your mind alert. Once Ali created this buffer zone, falling asleep became effortless. Here's a small trick with huge impact. Morning sunlight resets your brain's internal clock. Just 5 to 10 minutes of sunlight after waking up increases alertness and dopamine. Ali replaced morning scrolling with a short walk outside. Within days, his mornings felt completely different. After a few weeks, something surprising happened. Ali stopped obsessing about sleeping more. Instead, he focused on sleeping smarter. And suddenly, 6 to 7 hours felt better than the old 9, because his brain was finally getting complete sleep cycles. So if you wake up tired every morning, don't just ask, how can I sleep longer? Ask the better question. How can my brain sleep better? Fix your sleep timing. Respect the sleep cycles. Let your brain power down, and you might discover something surprising. Sometimes, less sleep can feel like more energy.